combining techniques. Congratulations! You've now learned some of the most commonly used guitar techniques. These techniques will not only improve your playing, but will also shape your personality as a guitarist. In the following lessons, you'll learn some examples and inspirations for combining different techniques. Let's use this lick as an example, which sounds like this. Now, let's add slide, hammer-on, quarter tone bend, and vibrato. This is what the lick and technique sound like when combined. Sounds pretty good, right? Try to add all of these techniques into your playing, whether you're performing live or practicing at home. You should also experiment with combining different techniques and see what you can come up with. The only limitation is your imagination. Enjoy, and good luck.